Hello everyone, it's a video about this glow plug light flashing all the time, which comes up with engine fault, and it's not engine fault. If I remove this one, see, it turns off, and then if I press the brake pedal, now I'm going to press the brake pedal, then it will turn on. This light will turn on in a minute. Now I'm going to apply the brake pedal, and you will see it comes up with engine fault, workshop. And now I'm going to show you, if I show you the screen. See the fault. So now my cruise control also doesn't work, and it's to do with cruise and brake switch. Now I'll switch this off. I'll delete it, and you'll see message is gone. I'm applying the brake again. As soon as I apply brake, this light comes on and it says engine fault workshop, but it's not an engine fault. It's to do with brake switch, or with cruise control and brake switch.